What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So today I am going to do the unboxing and a first look of the Beyerdynamic DT-102. This is one of the best ever single ear headphone. Yes, one of the best single ear headphone. You can't find anything better than this one, really. So jump to the unboxing table.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
So here is the Beyerdynamic DT-102. Yeah, DT-102 is a single ear headphone compared to the DT-100. So this is made in Germany. You need a preamplifier to use it. I will be using my Pearson HP4 preamplifier. I mean the preamp. So this box was quite, now I bought it like new from Amazon. They said the box is damaged. I understand. Absolutely, you can see the box is damaged. But let me show you from the back. It's a dynamic close. This is 400 ohms. So you need a preamp. So this is the one I bought. DT-102, DT-100. These are the best audio monitoring headphone out there. Period. Okay, let me take out. Okay, it come with the manual. Sometimes you get a good deal. The box is quite damaged, to be honest with you. Okay, these are the instruction manual. Okay, and what about this one? What is this? Again, this is a small booklet. Who really care? Okay, look at it. Look at it, to be honest with you. Look at the beauty of it. Again, look at it. You need to look by yourself. This is absolutely very beautiful, to be honest with you. Look at it. I mean, wow. This is like gray, like black. Sorry, this is like white or dark white, dark white or light gray. I don't know which color it is. This is like the old computer color. Wow. This is plastic, but this is like the best plastic I can say, made in Germany. I mean, it's quite comfortable, and then it comes with a cable to quarter-inch. Okay, so yeah, let me just open the cable also, and then let me connect it. So here so it's connected like this. Okay, I'm not wrong. Okay, yeah, it don't connect like this. Okay, connected. Now let me put on my ear, and then now let me tell you how comfortable it is, and then how good is the audio quality. Now jump back to me. So right now you can see, wow, this is the same DT-100, but this is called DT-102 because it's a single ear. Number one thing is very comfortable. When I say something is comfortable, then I really mean comfortable. If you work in a broadcast environment where you need your one of the ear uncovered, then you can't go wrong with it. Literally you can't go wrong with it. When I say you can't go wrong with it, then I just mean literally you can't go wrong with it. This is an amazing, look here. Wow, it's very comfortable, to be honest with you. It's really very comfortable to use. Okay, let me make the wire from the back. Yeah, now much better. Wow, I'm really very much impressed. So make sure to subscribe and bye.